All right, Ali Gatie, What If I Told You That I Love You? This is in E minor, and by the way, please hit subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Love to hear from you. So I'm going to play you this little line that he opens up with. It's a little single line that goes like this. One more time. And I'm playing that because that happens in and out of the song. You'll hear it sometimes more prominently than other times. So the chords that go with that and with the singing is that like this: an E minor, D, and then a G to a C, and then it jumps the D to an E minor, right? G to C. Very hypnotic. So in rhythm it sounds like this. Into the so that's basically, it goes back and forth, it empties out with that. Okay, if you want to do something totally different, you can move up to the next inversion of E minor, and it sounds like this. And what that does is a little bit closer to this melody. You can hear it in the... doing there. I'm doing an E minor, right? Third position, and then just a straight D. All you're doing is hit. Now I'm doing this version of a, you could call it a C form of G. See that C chord in there? But you also have that little down here, and then a regular C. And it sounds like this, and then jump the D. So this is really cool because you get the melody. So you get that. Hear that? Hear that melody in there? You hear this? You got it right here. That's a fun little song and is really popular right now. I think it's cool. And if you like it, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you soon.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.